YouTube, we are back again with another lesson. I don't know if my little viewers noticed, but your boy was gone for the past week. I was chilling in San Diego with the fam, getting my mind off the charts, getting my mind off everything, just relaxing, enjoying the new environment, the new scenery, and just kicking it back. I didn't record, I didn't vlog, I didn't do anything. I was just chilling. But we are back in the lab, back to being consistent, back to getting on my grind, and it's as simple as that, man. And although YouTube is just a hobby for me, I don't know. I feel like it's also became a habit. Over the past however many months, I've been posting 4, 5, sometimes 6 times in a week. So I feel like regardless of the case, regardless of who's watching, who's not, I should be recording just for my own journey and to potentially help people on their journeys as well. Because making YouTube an income source is really difficult. It's difficult. But I don't know, just recording myself, getting better at teaching, getting better at the way I articulate myself, it's kind of cool and I kind of like it. So I'm kind of in that mode. I was debating if I should take another week off of YouTube just to lock in and get focused on my craft, but I was like, my audience is so small, I could really do whatever I want, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna just continue to post my videos, continue to spread game out there for people who really want to trade, not the fake gurus, not the fake stuff, but real trading. I'm there to help. But today I just want to talk about drawdown. I want to talk about drawdown, but specifically drawdown when scaling up. See, I've been trying to scale up my own capital, right? And with scaling up my own capital, the drawdowns are getting bigger. They're getting bigger, they're getting larger. I gotta switch that mental framework in my brain to understand the drawdowns I'm going through and the capital I'm trading with now, and just understand it's a part of the process. Because at first, it's like, dang, I'm seeing so much drawdown. Like, this is why my face is up here. I want you guys to see I'm currently down $10,000 in drawdown. Yes, $10,000 of live capital. This is with Forex.com, a regulated broker. You guys can see my accounts, standard account, raw pricing account. This is my raw pricing account. I trade live capital only. I do not trade funded. I think it's a scam. I don't think it really shows you if you can trade or not. Matter of fact, it's more likely to do the opposite. When I was doing the prop firms and stuff, I was failing more often than not because of all the drawdown rules, the limits, the news trading, the holding over weekend, all this stuff that you can't do. And it's just like, well, what can I do? You can't do nothing. You gotta be perfect, precise entries, no news, it was stupid. So I don't do funded, just real capital. But with scaling up my real capital in the way that I trade, my drawdowns get larger. I remember the days I was seeing like $2,000 drawdowns, $1,000 drawdown, $3,000 drawdowns. Now we're getting to the point where we're seeing 5-figure drawdowns. This is my first 5-figure drawdown. I am down $10,000 of real money. Real money. It's crazy to say that out loud. Like, am I in a dream? I must be in a dream, bro. I am down 10,000. I remember when I went to save my first 10,000, let alone be down my first 10,000. Yo, this is wild, bro. I just had a whole reality hit. But I just want to go through some of my trades and just show what I'm looking at, what I'm planning to do while I'm in this deep drawdown, how I'm going to navigate out of it and so forth. And yeah, let's get into this video, man. So I am in a Euro Aussie drawdown. I'm actually in 3 Euro trades right now. I'm in a Euro Aussie drawdown right now, but it seems like we lost momentum. Momentum has slowed down. So what I'm waiting for is, and Euro has not been having good fundamental news lately. It has not. So I'm not worried about this pushing up because of fundamentals, but I don't know. Maybe there's other factors that could push it up. I'm not sure. If it does, I won't do anything. What I'm waiting for is a break of structure. I want to see a new low. I want to see a new lower high, and I want to see that structure change so I can continue to scale in towards the downside and either get out at a break even, or I can get out for a decent profit if I take it down to these levels right here. That's what I'm looking for on this trade. I've been suffering through this drawdown. I'm down $2,000 currently in this trade, which actually isn't bad for one trade. It's just the total drawdowns I'm in with from all my trades. It's like, dang, like this is crazy. And I'm not worried. I've been trading like this for so long, not using the stop loss, scaling into my trades, scaling out of my trades. The whole game of trading is just risk management and managing your positionings. So what I mean by that is you're trading smartly with your risk. You're not over leveraging because you don't want to blow your account, but you're also managing your positions while you're in these trades. Whether I'm adding in, scaling out, adding back in again, moving my stops to break even once I'm in a good enough profit, things like that. Watching my fundamentals, looking at market structure. I have to manage myself when I'm in my trades. The whole game of trading is managing yourself and your risk. That's it. So I am looking to get myself out of this trade at a break even or a small profit. I want to see a structural break and then we in there. I'm in Euro GBP as well. Euro GBP, once again, this is a tough trade too that went against me. A lot of trades are going against me. I'm going through one of those times right now. This trade just made a new high on me, so I'm just waiting. I want this trade to just exhaust itself because Euro GBP is a mean reverting pair. It doesn't go in one direction for too long before it reverses. I guarantee you we end up seeing a reversal. Even if it pops up, we're going to see a reversal down to these levels. Then we might continue up again like this. This is how the pair moves. This is how it moves. I've been seeing this for so long now. It's nothing. I'm down $2,000 also in this trade. No big deal. I'm really not liking the euro. I'm expecting a push down. Sooner or later, euro's going to come falling down and I'm going to make some money, man. I'm going to make some money off the euro weakness. I also entered euro shorts because even though the US dollar has been having weak fundamental news lately and the trend is strong, I am taking a pullback trade. This pair is way too overextended and it's going to pull back. It's going to pull back. Overextended pairs pull back. That's just what it is. Even if we shoot up even more, I'm going to add to this position and wait for the pullback that I desire. That's all I'm doing. I will go through drawdown and I will add to it. I will add to my loser. I will go against what all the gurus say I am adding to my loser, and I'm going to take this trade back to the downside. That's the only reason I took this trade. It's just overextended. I'm only up $60 right now, floating in profit. If I win, probably win like $500, $550 to be exact. And on to the next. Maybe trim off some of this Swiss yen position I got because I'm also in Swiss yen. You guys can see my break-even point is right here. I am down 5,600. This is the pair that's making my drawdown so extreme. I'm down $5,600 on this one trade, and it's just trending straight against me. I'm like, yo, this is one of those times all the pairs are trending against me, but it's no big deal. It is no big deal. We are going to manage our way out of this position in live time. We see a nice little trend to the upside. We had a strong trend. It seems to be coming out of this little trend line I drew. Maybe we come and break this low, make a lower high, make a new low, and I can take this back to the downside and scale in just a little bit more so I can close for a break even around this area. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? We'll see. I just watch what the market does and react accordingly. I don't try to predict. I'm just watching. But if that happens, we'll get this trade in a break even and go on about our day. But the goal is to squeeze this trade for a profit. Even if I have to trim out some positions to bring my average up, and then I can scale back in up here to bring my average even higher and get out, maybe I'll do that. But it just depends. I'm really just watching. I'm down 5,600, so I'm looking to either scale out and scale back in or take it to the downside and scale in to get out at a small profit or a break even. This is one of my longest trades I've ever held. I'm on 4 months. This is a 4-month trade. This is one of my longest trades I've held. Previously, my longest trade was like 3 months, just about. So I'm breaking new records. I'm breaking new drawdown records. I'm breaking new holding trade records. It's a lot of records being broken right now. So it's kind of exciting, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like just going through all the motions. I'm riding a roller coaster right now. I'm just watching everything. I'm managing myself. I'm watching economic data. I'm watching market structure. I'm managing my emotion. Like, it's really a journey, and I really enjoy it. It's really cool, and this is why I love the game of trading. It really tests your limits. It tests everything you think you know about yourself. It tests the way you handle yourself. It tests how you work under pressure. I love it, man. I personally love it. I was in UJ as a hedge against Swiss yen, but it did not go as expected. I don't know what's going on. Swiss yen was still going up and UJ was coming down. I think that was my fault for entering another safe haven currency, especially when the US dollar has been weak. I should not have done that, but I did it. No biggie. But yeah, these are all my trades, man. I'm floating 10,300 in negative drawdown. I was almost down 12,000, so I'm actually up $2,000 from my original deep drawdown, which isn't bad. I'm really not too worried. Pullbacks are coming. Pullbacks are always coming. This is the way the market moves. And if they don't come, then I don't do anything. I'm going to wait for the pullback until I start to put in some action on these pairs. But for the meantime, we just wait. We manage our positions. I am willing to enter hedge trades if something looks good on any of these other pairs. But as of right now, nothing that I want to enter, so therefore I'm just gonna do nothing. I'm just gonna chill, and I'm just gonna wait and watch price action and see what happens, man. So that's it for the video today. If you appreciate it, hit the like button, hit the sub button. You already know the deal, man. All the buttons there is, press them, get some interactions. And I appreciate whoever watched the video, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next lesson. Let's go.